क्लास 11th फिजिकल एजुकेशन ऑफलाइन क्लास। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो है प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ फिजिकल एक्टिविटी एनवायरनमेंट। जो हम फिजिकल एक्टिविटी करते हैं उसके प्रिंसिपल्स विद द एनवायरनमेंट टू कीप फिट एंड हेल्दी फिजिकल एक्टिविटी वी परफॉर्म। तो उसका जो रिमेनिंग एनवायरनमेंट होगा दैट मस्ट बी रिमेन एक्टिव एंड हेल्दी. So for maintaining proper environment for physical activity, we have to follow certain principles. Number first is the pollution-less environment. To do any kind of physical activity, one should have pollution-free environment. As pollution causes many health problems, so physical activity should be done in a pollution-free place. Number two, maintain proper facilities. In order to keep physical activities, one should remain proper facilities required for the activities. Good facilities will certainly improve health and can produce more effective results. Thus, there should be enough space for doing the physical activity. Number three, location of the place of activity. वो ये होता है कि at the time of place in which the physical activities are performed plays an important role for determining the effect of physical activities. If the place or location is not suitable, it will not produce good results. So that physical activities must be performed in a stadium, in a ground, in a sports complex, or an open ground, which should be away from the city. It should be have a transport facilities. It should be have the proper location. Number four, proper ground and courts. Proper playground. Physical activities must be performed at a proper playground. The ground must be leveled. The ground must be pleasing. The ground must be clean. The ground must be have a very good surroundings that it can impact on the performance of the participants. Number six, climate condition. There should be the proper climate conditions. Too much heat or cold has a wrongful effect on the participant's health. So the climate should be considered. We should not play in extreme hot or cold conditions because it affects the performance of well-maintained infrastructure. Infrastructure has very much importance. We must maintain the good infrastructure so that there are maximum chances of good physical activity. If there is no proper infrastructure, then there are chances of injury. Safe and clean environment. For safe and clean environment, one should be enhance his skills and health. There should be no chance of injuries. There should be the good facilities of water, food, neat and clean. Drug-free environment. The place where physical activities are carried out should be drug-free. Everyone should be stopped to use of any kind of drugs to increase their skills, to increase their performance. Conditions should be attractive and enjoyable. The condition of the ground, the condition of the play field, the condition of the activity should be like that in which the participants will be attracted, will be the motivated. It increases the number of participants. It increases the results of the test. Number four, good social environment. Social environment की बहुत ज़्यादा importance है क्योंकि it has very good relation with the physical education. क्योंकि social environment has a very good impact on physical activity, like the players, like the coaches, like the trainers. So it should be good and balanced. Everyone should follow the ethical and social values. There should be good sportsman qualities to increase the good participation and the competitions of the physical activities. Because the physical activities are productive and beneficial if the principles are followed, if there is a good environment. Simply जो principles होते हैं इसके we should give them the much more emphasis in order to make physical activities fruitful. Thank you very much.